And good morning, boys and girls. This is what I want. Okay, and they replaced it. Originally, they got me, instead of this, they got me this. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. This is cooking string. All right, 100% cotton, but it only holds about maybe a pound, 2 pounds. This is all multi purpose cotton twine. It's a heavier cordage dense string. There's a big difference between string, twine, heavy string, and this. Of course, a lot of people are dense. Did you say dance, Uncle Aaron? Us Democrats love to dance. Hey, twerk, twerk, twerk. Yeah, dancing time. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Yeah, more dancing. No, Uni, I said dance. Oh, I thought you said dance. Yay, twerk, twerk, twerk. Let's dance. Hey, Politicus, let's dance all the time. Yay. That was for Kayfabe's dinosaur. Enough dancing. Let's see. A little bit of altitude adjustment for the Democrats and probably Uni in a second. Lord, I'm getting old. Gotta take my meds. Both one. Yeah, there's my mom. I hope she got the phone on the right side. And this is my vitality drink, not an olive. Yay. That was a rehydrated prune and aloe vera juice straight. Nothing coated straight. Lord, that's horrible. Okay, let's make this a quick video. I know Rob Hinkle doesn't like short, and hopefully we don't get pick up from my mom talking on the phone too loud. Now, remember this book? Okay, and these are the things that you want to know about the outdoors. Now, this is similar to things for survivalists. A lot of preppers don't do that. And this is basically Uncle Al's camping tips. And then for GM Survival and for Kayfabe, you should get this book if you can. I think the library has it, or you can order it through Amazon. It's a really hard book to find, but it discusses the Great American Camping Cookout book. Because a lot of people don't know how to cook in the outdoors, and Uncle Alan kind of look at them, and they're just being plain silly sometimes. Yeah, I know. Boil, fry, bake, or stew. That's all the choices you got. And then for Kayfabe, again, Apocalyptic Chow by these folks. Should be a copy at your library or online. You can check with Amazon. I don't remember they still have the ebook out. And then we have every camper should have one of these. Also survivalists. I get tired of boiling water, so I use one of these instead. It's hot, trust me, enough to kill most things, but just in case I throw in a couple of purification tablets, and it works fairly good. Now, I tell a lot of people it doesn't be anything fancy for cooking gear. You raid your mom's um, kitchenware drawer, silverware drawer. You get a regular butter knife. This is one I got from the Swedes, SF. And you got your fork. I wrapped it up nicely. Fork. And you got a tablespoon, just a regular tablespoon wrapped up nicely. Why do I do that? so I don't have to clean them when I get to camp. Now I did use the knife, so I have to re-clean it and wrap it again. Yes, it cuts, but I usually mostly for spreading stuff. And I use this wrench case. It works fine for this. All-purpose dual-sided case. So it does work. Dual-sided for wrenches, but spoons and utensils and other stuff. I will put in a teaspoon and a pair of chopsticks. Now we covered books, and that's about it for this part. Oh yeah, every apartment dweller has problem with space. Now this is the easiest way for Uncle Alan to mention this. Before a disaster occurs, make sure you have a folding water carrier. This will hold 2 gallons of water and it has a detachable handle. See how nice that is? There's covers in gallons and liters. Holds 10 liters of water or 2.5 gallons. That should see you through for about 2 days worth. It's 3 if you stretch it far enough, but it'd be about 2 days worth. Because you gotta add another half gallon. Now Uncle Alan's tired and I gotta drink coffee right now. Then we're gonna do listing of stuff I have to mention, and then I guess Uni wants to talk about something. I don't know. Okay, Uni. Hi, boys and girls. This is Uni, the unicorn. Yay! I'm not a pretend horse. Okay, today we're going to talk about Democrats. And thank you, DUI. Yes, Dino's on vacation. And yes, Pilaticus, he's on vacation too. So, anyway, boys and girls, Uncle Alan's going to talk about some shout outs. I got to get this quick. We're going to talk about Democrats. I hope this gets through. Your mom's talking really loud, Uncle Alan. Yes, I know. Okay, let's get this quick, boys and girls. Put that over here. Okay, we don't want to know about that. Again, with the books, these are a little easier than Hubble's Cats. This, a lot of people heard these before, and it's a little easier to understand. Stuff Hubble's Cat mentioned about, really good. Check it out. Check out his videos. Sorry about the background noise. And then just in time prepping tonight at 8 p.m. Mountain Time. And let's have West Wind Survival. Make sure you check out Wayne's channel. Real Patriot and Modern Refugees and Kayfabe. Please check it out. Tell them Uncle Alan sent you over there. And Hubble's Cat and Andrew Hondo's. Sorry I have to end this quick. Okay. Palmetto Prepared. Let's talk about prepping. Cheryl Hines, DIY Fun, Little Prepper Lady, and Prepping in Progress, and Manifestation of Imagination. Excuse me for a second. Never have elderly people live with you. So anyway, boys and girls, I'll catch you later. Bye.